Honorable Speaker, thank you for this opportunity to answer the question, and thank the Honorable Member for the question. The Ministry's call toll-free 157 is an essential patient engagement tool and allows the patient, the family, and the public to inform the Ministry and provide feedback on perception, strengths, weaknesses, and subsequently the quality of health services provided. Since the establishment of 157 customer care by the Fiji First Government in June 2017, the Ministry has registered a cumulative total of, up to last week, 6,161 tickets. 90 of these tickets have been addressed and considered closed with identified processes in place for improvement. The Ministry has a unique complaint mechanism where the general public can either call, text, or email. Many countries, like the National Health Services in the United Kingdom, only utilize a written format. With the three available options, we found that this makes it more easier and friendlier for Fijians to give feedback. And this has also been proven by some of the literature around this in evidence-based medicine. 10% are still open, but has been acknowledged and currently investigated as part of quality improvement processes. The fact that we have closed 90% is a very high response rate that argues well with our endeavor for customer care. Improvement in the turnaround time of acknowledging feedbacks is one of the reflections of customer-focused services the Ministry values. We have made the complaint cycle so important that staff want to resolve them as soon as possible. We've also ensured that other mechanisms follow an algorithm such as that it does warrant action or health system review. The highest feedbacks received so far, Honourable Speaker, is 23% on delays and waiting time. On this, the Ministry has strengthened over the last 1.5 years and continues to strengthen processes to address certain areas, such as reducing waiting for medical reports from 4 weeks to 5 to 10 working days. Patients visiting the emergency departments can be assured that within 4 hours of getting to the emergency department, they will be seen, depending on case severity. A fast-track system is in place to address the long waiting times for patients in emergency, although delays would be expected if patients receive investigations and are waiting for investigations to come back. The strengthening of patient triaging in all general patients departments and case referrals to other health facilities for investigations such as x-rays and ultrasound to reduce waiting times. The Ministry will also look in partnership with private facilities locally and overseas to reduce waiting time in certain results such as MRI. And occasionally we've sent blood results, blood tests overseas for certain blood tests that may not be available here. Honourable Speaker, 10% of feedback are on unsatisfactory treatment and poor staff attitude, and the complaints, as alluded to earlier, are currently under disciplinary process or the councils responsible are on track. The Ministry, in partnership with the Department of Foreign Affairs and Trade from Australia, is focusing on strengthening customer service through knowledge and capacity building and conducting patient experience surveys in all health facilities. Patient experience survey results will be used to gauge service quality and improve information for strategic direction to strengthen health services delivery across Fiji. Thank you, sir.